In wetlands at sunrise, this wildcat moves quietly through reeds, hunting small prey. Alert and intelligent, this monkey watches carefully for predators while living in large social groups. With long beak and pink wings, this bird feeds gracefully in shallow waters. A young crocodile learning to survive, hiding near riverbanks under warm sunlight. In dense forests, this large deer stands alert, listening carefully for approaching. In high mountain wetlands, this crane walks gracefully across cold, open landscapes. Gliding over coral reefs, this turtle helps maintain balance in fragile ocean ecosystem. Buried beneath desert sand, this snake waits patiently to ambush passing prey. This adaptable hunter moves across grasslands and deserts, surviving near human settlements. With bright colours, this bird catches insects mid-air with incredible speed and precision. In Southeast Asia's wetlands, this rare cat hunts fish along muddy riverbanks under dense rainforest. With a silver mane and black face, this monkey lives high in India's rainforest canopies. In swampy wetlands, this giant bird guards its chick carefully among tall reeds. This long-snouted crocodile basks quietly on riverbanks, perfectly adapted for catching fish. Running low through tall grass, this deer moves like a hog across open floodplains. The tallest flying bird forms lifelong pairs, standing gracefully together in wetlands. At night, this sea turtle returns to shore, digging nests to lay eggs in sand. A highly venomous snake, lying coiled on dry ground, ready to strike when threatened. Adapted to open scrublands, this wolf hunts in small packs under hot, dry conditions. With patterned feathers, this ground bird blends perfectly into dry forest floors and grasslands. In dense Asian forests, this elusive golden cat moves silently, rarely seen by humans. With gentle faces and long tails, these monkeys live peacefully on forest cliffs in Thailand. Flying low over rivers, this bird slices the water surface to catch small fish. In murky rivers, this crocodile waits patiently before launching a sudden, powerful attack. Known for its many antlers, this deer lives in marshy grasslands across northern India. With its large casque beak, this bird spreads seeds across forests of the Western Ghats. The largest sea turtle rises to breathe, traveling vast oceans across the planet. Raising its hood, this iconic snake warns enemies before striking with deadly venom. This shy scavenger roams rocky deserts at night, searching for food across harsh landscapes. Soaring high above mountains, this giant vulture rides air currents for hours without flapping. In Southeast Asian forests at night, this small spotted cat moves silently through dense undergrowth. With dark fur and golden head, this monkey lives quietly in India's Western Ghats forests, one of the rarest birds, standing silently in Himalayan rivers, searching for fish. With a long, narrow snout, this crocodile specializes in catching fish in fast rivers. Hidden in snowy forests, this shy deer survives in cold mountain regions of the Himalayas. This giant bird flies across forests, helping spread seeds and grow new trees. Thousands gather on beaches, returning together to lay eggs under the moonlight. Raising its hood, this snake warns predators with its iconic eye-like pattern. With its square face, this fox hunts rodents across high, cold plateaus. A rare Himalayan pheasant, glowing with bright red and blue feathers in forest shadows. In Borneo's forests, this rare cat moves quietly at night, rarely seen by humans. With a long nose and large belly, this monkey lives along mangrove rivers. This forest giant flies slowly, its heavy casque beak echoing loud wing beats through trees. With a long, slender snout, this crocodile swims silently through dark swamp rivers. In Philippine forests, this rare pig roams quietly with its distinctive facial warts. With shimmering feathers, this bird displays bright eye-like patterns to attract a mate. Among coral reefs, this turtle feeds on sponges, helping keep reef ecosystems balanced. The world's longest venomous snake moves silently through forests, alert and powerful. Living in packs, these wild dogs hunt together across forests with speed and coordination. With a large curved casque, this bird spreads seeds across Southeast Asia's tropical forests. One of the largest spiders on Earth, moving silently across rainforest floor under dark shadows. A glowing desert hunter, delivering one of the most potent stings in the scorpion world. Small but deadly, flashing blue rings warn of venom powerful enough to stop a human heart. Drifting like seaweed, this fragile creature hides perfectly among underwater kelp forests. With transparent skin, this frog reveals its beating heart beneath a glowing green body. Famous for the world's most painful sting, this ant defends its colony with fierce aggression. A slow-moving predator using a venomous harpoon, capable of paralyzing fish in seconds. In the deep ocean darkness, this squid glows softly, spreading its cloak-like arms to defend. One of the largest moths alive, its wings mimic snakeheads to scare away predators. Tiny but dazzling, this spider dances, flashing bright colors to attract a mate. This beetle shines like gold, reflecting light perfectly on its transparent shell surface. Master of disguise, this octopus copies shapes of other animals to avoid danger. The world's largest land crab climbs trees and cracks coconuts with powerful claws. This small lizard glides through forest air using skin wings stretched from its ribs. A rare amphibian that never grows up, keeping its gills and youthful features forever. Perfectly disguised as a flower, this mantis waits silently to ambush unsuspecting insects. In deep, dark waters, this fish survives with massive teeth and powerful jaws. Large and spiky, this harmless caterpillar uses bright colors to scare predators away. A living fossil, drifting through oceans using gas-filled chambers inside its spiral shell. Hidden underground, this spider bursts out suddenly, trapping prey in a lightning-fast ambush. In jungle darkness, this giant scorpion patrols slowly, defending itself with. In deep ocean silence, this octopus floats gently, flapping ear-like fins to move. With a transparent head, this fish looks upward using glowing green rotating eyes. This unusual frog grows hair-like skin and can break its own bones for defense. Perfectly camouflaged as a leaf, this gecko hides in plain sight from predators. Hidden in sand pits, this larva traps insects by collapsing the ground beneath them. This tiny sea creature floats upside down, feeding on venomous jellyfish for survival. Deep on the ocean floor, this armored creature crawls slowly in cold darkness. With transparent wings, this butterfly becomes nearly invisible while resting among forest leaves. Hanging upside down at night, this spider casts a net to capture passing insects. In dark caves, this strange arachnid uses long sensory legs to feel its surroundings. In open ocean waters, this octopus spreads its flowing blanket to appear larger. With an enormous mouth, this deep-sea fish swallows prey larger than itself. When threatened, this lizard curls into a spiky ball, biting its tail for protection. This unusual toad carries its young in pockets within its own skin. A highly aggressive ant, using strong mandibles and painful stings to defend its territory. This tiny sea slug looks soft and cute, but feeds on toxic sea sponges. In dark oceans, this squid glows bright blue to communicate and confuse predators. With rainbow wings, this moth shines brightly as it flies through tropical forests. In South America's grasslands, this spotted cat hunts quietly at dusk, blending perfectly with its surroundings. With deep, roaring calls, this monkey announces its presence across vast Amazon rainforest moving slowly through swamps. This ancient-looking bird searches carefully for fish in shallow waters. A young crocodile learning to survive, hiding among mangrove roots in warm tropical rivers. Once extinct in the wild, this deer now thrives again in protected wetlands. Known as the stink bird, this unique species climbs branches as chicks using small claws. This ocean traveler swims thousands of miles, returning to the same beach to nest. With bright warning colors, this venomous snake signals danger to any predator nearby. Tall and slender, this fox-like wolf hunts alone across open grasslands at night. With lightning speed, this bird dives into water to catch fish in a split second.